What's up, folks? Today I've got for you another review. This came in the mail just a few hours ago. It's going to be an item I really will love and treasure for the future and to come. It's a Keychron Q6 mechanical keyboard, and I've always wanted a keyboard that was like really sturdy and reliable and super well made, and here it is. Yeah, it's a 100% keyboard, meaning it has letters and function keys, as well as number pad, arrow keys, and these buttons: insert home, page up, delete, end, and page down, along with these customizable function keys. I think the coolest thing is this volume knob. This knob that can function as volume knob or perform any function that you so choose. And the best thing about this is how the keys have really great travel, and they're Cherry MX Reds, meaning that they're not so loud, but they still have great feel. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this. I'll go over the manual. So it comes with a user manual. Here it says it comes with a keyboard, a fully assembled keyboard, aluminum case, PCB, steel plate, sound absorbing foam, case foam, 16 gaskets, 10 installed and 6 in a box, 8 stabilizers, 1 set of keycaps, 1 set of switches, Keychron G Pro, and 1 Type-C to Type-C cable, and 1 Type-A to Type-C adapter. Finally, for tools, it comes with a switch puller, a keycap puller, a screwdriver, and a hex key. That's really cool. I think that they offered a lot. I'm happy to say that Keychron did really outdo themselves with all of the things that they offered, and most of all, I'm happy that it's dual purpose, USB-C, and yeah, I'd say I'm really happy with it. I'll just go ahead and do a test about the loudness, whether or not you can hear it from there. That's left to be said, but let's go ahead and plug it in, and from there I'll go ahead and type a short paragraph about Tiger Woods' professional career. So let's see. Okay, so that's how it sounds. Overall, it's something I can get used to, and it's really comfortable to listen to, not too noisy, yet it feels really satisfying. I'd say it's super satisfying. Lastly, I'd like to show off the keyboard. backlight, it's RGB, full RGB, and as you can see, it's going all across the width of the keyboard. I'll have to go into software settings to see how I can utilize this, if I can customize the colors, if I can select a color, or even if I'd like to just leave it as it is. So that's pretty much all I have to say. Thank you, Keychron, so much for making a great keyboard. Again, it's the Keychron Q6. And to get more videos of mine, go ahead, like and subscribe, and you'll get notifications for any time that I upload a video. Also, if you go ahead and hit that notification bell. So I'll put a link in the description to where I bought it. And yeah, I'd say that's it. Appreciate it. Thanks so much, and peace.